The Whopper is a global icon, sold in over 100 countries and consumed by millions every day. But to view it simply as a sandwich is to miss the point. In reality, a Burger King hamburger is a masterpiece of modern industrial logistics and food chemistry. It is a product of a system so precise that a burger ordered in London will taste, smell, and feel identical to one ordered in Los Angeles. This consistency isn't an accident. It is the result of a massive interconnected machine that spans from the grain fields of the Midwest to high-tech cryogenic freezing tunnels. The history, a flame-broiled legacy. The story began in 1954 when James McLemore and David Edgerton opened the first Burger King in Miami, Florida. While their competitors were using flat-top griddles, us McLemore and Edgerton were obsessed with the idea of flame broiling. They sought to replicate the taste of a backyard barbecue on a commercial scale. To do this, they pioneered the Insta-Broiler, a mechanical device that moved patties over open flames via a conveyor belt. This invention allowed them to cook meat faster and with a more distinct flavor profile than anyone else in the nascent fast food industry. Over the decades, this simple mechanical idea evolved into a global supply chain that redefined how meat is raised, processed, and delivered. Step 1. The bioengineering of the cattle. The process starts long before the meat reaches the kitchen, beginning at massive industrial feedlots. Here, cattle are finished, using a highly scientific dietary regimen. To achieve the specific fat-to-protein ratio required for a mass-produced patty, the animals are transitioned from a grass diet to high-density grains like corn and soy. This specific feeding program ensures marbling, the white flecks of intramuscular fat that provide flavor and moisture. By controlling the animal's diet with such precision, the industry can guarantee that every batch of beef has the exact caloric density needed to withstand the intense heat of the industrial broiler without drying out. Step 2. Industrial grinding and formulation. Once the beef reaches the processing plant, it is transformed into a standardized formula. This isn't just ground beef, it is an engineered mixture. High-speed grinders break the meat down while sensors monitor the lean-to-fat ratio in real time. During this stage, binders such as soy protein or textured vegetable protein, TVP, are often integrated into the mix. These additives act as structural stabilizers. They are designed to soak up and hold onto the fat and juices that would otherwise be lost during cooking, ensuring the patty maintains a juicy mouthfeel even after being shipped halfway across the world. Step 3. Cryogenic flash freezing. The most critical link in the global supply chain is the science of the cold. After the patties are molded into perfectly uniform discs, they enter a cryogenic tunnel. Using liquid nitrogen or carbon dioxide at temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius, the patties are flash frozen in a matter of minutes. This rapid speed is essential because it prevents the formation of large, jagged ice crystals. By keeping the ice crystals microscopic, the cellular integrity of the meat remains intact. This ensures that the texture of the beef is preserved, preventing it from becoming mushy or dry once it is eventually thawed and cooked at the restaurant. Step 4. The mechanical flame broiler. At the heart of every Burger King restaurant lies the modern descendant of the original Insta-broiler. Unlike a flat grill where the meat sits in its own grease, the patties are placed on a motorized, chain-driven belt that carries them directly over open gas flames. This creates a dual effect. The high heat triggers the Maillard reaction, a complex chemical interaction between amino acids and sugars that produces the charred, savory crust, while the dripping fat vaporizes on the burners below to infuse the meat with a smoky aroma. This automated system eliminates human error, ensuring that every patty is cooked to the exact internal temperature every single time. Step 5. component integration, and assembly. The final step is the assembly of the build, where the patty is paired with components engineered for high-speed service. The buns are infused with dough conditioners and high-fructose corn syrup, creating an elastic texture that can be compressed in a wrapper and still spring back to its original shape. Meanwhile, condiments like mayonnaise and ketchup are formulated as high-stability emulsions, meaning they won't break or turn watery when they touch the hot meat. In a matter of seconds, the assembly line workers combine these engineered parts into a finished product, ready to be served hot, consistent, and exactly as promised by the brand's 70-year legacy.